Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to turn this into this with the Loop Tools add-on. This add-on has a function that allows you to convert the selection into a circle. So let's get started.
Subscribe now.
The first thing you need to do is to activate the add-on. You can go to Edit, Preferences, and here in the add-on section you need to go to the Finder, and here you can type loop, so you can filter the Loop Tools add-on. By default you will look the add-on like this, turn off, so you need to turn it on, just clicking like so, and you can close the window. And now just select the part that you want to make the circle in edit mode, right click, and when you activate the add-on, the Loop Tools add-on, when you press right click, right in the top you will see this section, Loop Tools, and here go to the option circle, and this will convert wherever you selected into a circle. And now here you can just make an extrude, for instance, or you can make another inset and then an extrude, and that way you can get your hole, your cylindrical hole. So I'm going to show you now with this example, with this gun, because I here have a similar situation. Suppose you need to create another hole between these two bolts. So select the object, go to edit mode, and I'm going to select this edge loop with Alt and click, and I'm going to create a bevel so we can get more edges, and a loop cut, Ctrl R. I'm going to add a loop cut like so. I'm going to press escape, so the edge loop is exactly in the middle. And now select these two polygons with face selection, and here you can create the inset with I for inset like so, and now right click, Loop Tools, circle, and here we have our circle. Now I'm going to create another inset so we can get this this border, and now we're going to extrude with E, and there we go. We have our cylindrical hole. This looks rounded because it has a solution surface. So I hope this could be useful, and see you on the next video.